Alright.
Hey YouTube, what's up? It's me.
I can see your face. We're gonna be doing Nerf gun battle.
Wait, can you see my face? Go up there.
No.
Over there. Alright, ready?
We're gonna be doing Nerf gun battle.
Ready?
Strong arm and a revolver. Okay. First one to get 2 hits is out. So, and we'll retrieve. I'll let you retrieve ammo. Okay. If you want to play with us or play, whoever has Xbox One, you can play with him.
Yep.
If you have PS4, you can play with me.
Him.
Just comment on his video, which is recording right now too.
Yep. And comment on his video, which is recording right now.
Yeah. I have PS4, he has Xbox One.
Yep. But
If you have PS4, leave your gamer tag in the description. We're going to play Black Ops 3.
And if you have Xbox One, leave your gamer tag in the description so we can play GTA, Minecraft, Black Ops 3, some other stuff.
Or even FIFA 16.
Alright,
Alright, let's do this.
ready to get started?
Yeah. 3.
And my YouTube name is KillyD430,
Oh.
and his is Alexiplays, no spaces at all.
Big nigga, please. Oh man, we both missed.
Ah! Where'd it go?
What? You saw me aiming at you and you didn't move.
No! This isn't interesting.
I know, huh?
Interesting.
Hi.
Wait. Dodgeball. Dodge the bullet. Dodge the bullet.
Wow.
Anything left?
Ready?
Your turn.
I'm out.
And sorry if you can't really see
Whoa.
that. Alessi, stand right there.
Huh?
Stand.
Crazy retreat.
Dude, I can't stand up because all the bullets. Or the. Oh.
you.